Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be discussing about navigating inflation. Strategies to safeguard your investments. Inflation is a common economic phenomenon that can erode the value of your money over time. As prices rise, the purchasing power of your savings decreases, making it harder to achieve your financial goals. Inflation can be especially concerning for those who have invested their hard-earned money in stocks, mutual funds, or other assets, as inflation can reduce the real return on their investments. However, there are strategies you can use to safeguard your investments against inflation. In this video, I will explore some of the best practices to help you navigate inflation and ensure your investments are protected. From diversification to investing in inflation-protected securities, we'll cover the key strategies to help you stay ahead of inflation and achieve your financial goals. Understanding the impact of inflation on investments. For investors, this means that the returns on their investments need to outpace the rate of inflation in order to maintain or grow their wealth in real terms. Investments that offer returns that are higher than the rate of inflation are considered to be inflation-beating investments. Moreover, inflation can affect different asset classes in varying ways. While some investments may be more resilient to inflation, others may be more vulnerable. Understanding the impact of inflation on different types of investments can help you make informed decisions about where to allocate your funds to mitigate the effects of inflation. By gaining a comprehensive understanding of how inflation impacts investments, you can develop strategies to protect your portfolio and ensure that your investments continue to grow in real terms despite the challenges posed by inflation. Diversification. The key to mitigating inflation risk. By diversifying your investments, you can potentially offset losses in one asset class with gains in another. For example, while inflation may erode the purchasing power of cash and fixed income investments, assets like equities, real estate, and commodities have historically shown the ability to outperform inflation over the long term. Furthermore, diversification can help you capture opportunities in different sectors of the economy that may perform well in inflationary environments. By spreading your investments across a mix of asset classes, geographic regions, and industries, you can build a more resilient portfolio that is better equipped to weather the storm of rising prices. In essence, diversification acts as a shield against the erosive effects of inflation, providing a level of stability and protection for your investments in uncertain times. By embracing this key strategy, investors can navigate the challenges of inflation with greater confidence and resilience. Investing in inflation-protected securities. One popular type of inflation-protected security is Treasury Inflation-Protected Securities, TIPS, which are issued by the U.S. Department of the Treasury. The principal value of TIPS increases with inflation and decreases with deflation, ensuring that investors are protected against the erosive effects of rising prices. Another option is to consider inflation-linked bonds issued by other governments or corporations. These bonds typically offer a fixed interest rate plus an adjustment based on inflation, providing investors with a reliable income stream that keeps pace with the cost of living. By including inflation-protected securities in your investment portfolio, you can help mitigate the impact of inflation on your overall wealth and ensure that your investments retain their purchasing power over the long term. Real estate is a particularly attractive option as it tends to appreciate over time, providing a potential hedge against inflation. Rental income from real estate properties can also act as a steady income stream, helping investors offset the impact of rising prices. Additionally, real estate investments can offer diversification benefits to a portfolio, further enhancing its resilience in the face of inflationary pressures. Commodities, such as gold and oil, are another common choice for investors seeking protection against inflation. These physical assets often exhibit price movements that are uncorrelated with traditional financial markets, making them valuable diversification tools. Gold, in particular, is considered a safe haven asset that tends to retain its value during periods of economic uncertainty, including high inflation. Precious metals like gold and silver are also known for their intrinsic value and are often viewed as a store of wealth. During times of high inflation, precious metals can serve as a reliable hedge, preserving the purchasing power of investors' portfolios. Moreover, precious metals have a long history of being used as a medium of exchange, further enhancing their appeal as a safe haven in inflationary environments. By incorporating real assets such as real estate, commodities, and precious metals into their investment portfolios, Investors can effectively navigate the challenges posed by inflation and safeguard the value of their investments over the long term. Revisiting your investment portfolio in light of inflation. In times of inflation, it becomes crucial to revisit your investment portfolio to ensure that your financial assets are safeguarded against the impact of rising prices. This proactive approach can help you maintain the value of your investments and even potentially grow them in real terms. Start by assessing the composition of your portfolio. Certain asset classes, such as stocks, real estate, and commodities, have historically acted as effective hedges against inflation. Consider diversifying your investments across these asset classes to mitigate the risks associated with inflation. Inflation can be a daunting challenge for investors, but with the right strategies in place, you can safeguard your investments and even grow your wealth in the face of rising prices. I have covered a range of effective tactics in this video to help you navigate inflation successfully. By diversifying your portfolio, investing in assets that tend to perform well during inflationary periods, and staying informed about economic trends, you can protect your financial future. Remember, proactive planning is key to weathering the storm of inflation and coming out stronger on the other side. Happy investing! Subscribe to my channel, like my video and turn on notifications to stay updated.